first day ni Zen sa 22. June 22. First niya. 4 years old na siya. Magde-daycare siya. Ngayon, ito yung mga gamit niya nabili namin. May mga nakalista. Sorry ang ingay kasi naglalaro si Zen. May kalaro siya dun. May nakalista. Ito yung mga pinagbibili namin. Tsaka may mga extra na. Yan. Sa 22, hindi ko na alam. Basta may mga uniform sila. Susukatin. Tapos, na-enroll naman ni PJ nung 15. Tapos naging si Ate Indang dun sa school. Kung saan siya papasok. Nagbrigada muna. Tapos may registration na 400. Yun lang. Tignan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction ni Zen sa first day niya. Ito yung mga gamit na nabili namin. Tapos, bumili kami nung snacks niya. Yung pancake, juice, tapos fudgy bar, yung mga bread, ganun. Tapos, si mother bibili na ng prutas pag malapit na yung pasokan niya. Ay, yung mga pagkain niya rin nandun. Bumili kami mga Petra, Gastro, ganun, mga ganun. Chucky, para may baon siya araw-araw. Good luck sa first day niya. Papakita ko na sa inyo kung anong ginawa niya. Yung unang ito ang laman. Alcohol, tissue, 2, tapos wipes. So, ipangalan rin siya dito. Marami akong pinrate niyan guys eh. Ayan. May name tag pa nga siya. Ito. Sorry guys, ang ko. Itsura ko. Kasi, wait ako kay baby. Ito yung color paper, tsaka bond paper. Tapos, notebook niya. Hindi pa nabalutan pero magpapabili ako naman. Clay. Yan. Cute rin. Actually, marami siyang clay kasi hilig niya yun. Eraser, crayons. Alis lahat guys, may pangalan. Para di mo wala. Yung pencil niya. May naling din. Yung mga brush. Antas ha? Mahal, tignan mo baka madapa. Yan kuya siya ng kuya. Si Sensei madapa, di niya makita yung laruan. Nilaka lang to. Alis na talaga, nilaka ko ng name. Parang di mawala. Ano ba? Ano kaya yung tsura niya doon? Feeling ko ang gagawin niya magpapaapa. Kasi hindi siya sanay ng sapatos. Kala niya siguro maglalaro-laro lang doon. Yung clays, ito extra clay niya. Nilagyan ko din ng name. Yan. Nak, madulas ka! So, siguro yung bag niya lalagyan lang ng pagkain. Baon niya, ganun. Ako yung excited eh. Para kasi mag-aaral. Ito na. Ready na. Kompleto na alos, tsaka lahat bumila ako extra. Kasi baka malayo sa amin. Ay, yung ruler pa pala. Kahit wala naman nakasulat, bumila ako. Yung uniform nila 400, yung pants, tapos 350 yata. Pero hindi ko alam sa size ni Zen kasi si Zen 7 to 80, tapos 25 kilo ngayon siya. Kaya baka mas mahal. Ano naman? Alos lahat nabili naman na namin na gamit niya. Yung cover lang kasi mali yung una nabili kong notebook. Bye. Bumili pa ako sunscreen, pulbo niya, yan. Tapos may gel rin siya dito eh. Basta lahat kompleto. May lotion niya. Bumili na ako isang set yan. Yan. Saan din yung lotion niya. Diba? Bongga. Ano naman? Okay, paano pogi? Wow! Cindy's gonna go school! Wow! What? You wanna remove this one? Oh, remove it. say? Nay. You're not telling na. You're not telling your name. Very good ikaw. Your name is Ben Tyler Ortiz. And for yourself, you say. Oh, you sit down ka na. Sit down ka na. Later. The teacher. Oh, come on, right. You're gonna do. Oh, come on. Put a circle like that. Oh. Yeah, you're right. Wow.
Oh, this one. You use muna this one.
What? You gonna give? That's your girl? Ang gulo. You okay na? May toys kasi, nakita nila. You're done na? You're done? You're gonna draw a circle like that. Come on. You don't want? You bored na? You're done na nga rin? It's okay na that one? Oh, can you give the teacher na nga rin? You give the teacher na. Oh. Give the teacher na. The teacher is there. Oh, come on. Give na again. Oh, go there in the front. Go in the front na. Come on. It's okay. Tapos na daw. Tapos na agad daw siya. Ayaw niya na. Oh, eat na. Hold it. You're gonna give others. Come on. Give your pancake. Oh, give mo. No. Okay, it's okay. You eat. Now you can eat. Oh. Yeah, you're gonna eat na daw. Oh, come on, eat na. Galing. Ano? Move. How's your first day? You're happy in your first day of school? English patient talaga.
butterfly. And they are happy. And what are they doing? They're singing. Oh, di ba? Do not put the Play-Doh in your
Ma.
mouth. Okay? Don't put the Play-Doh in your mouth. Anyong ito kabin siniwat you. Huwag nyo ilalagay sa mouth yung Play-Doh. And then do not put it in your hair. Okay? Hindi maaalis yan pag nilagay ninyo sa hair. Yes.
Yes.
We're going to make vertical line, horizontal line. Next.
Oh, you sit down, Zen. You sit down. Oh, that's not yours. Wait mo yun sa'yo. Yeah, very good. What's the line is that? It's
Vertical line.
vertical and horizontal.
It's like a spaghetti.
Like spaghetti. Naku, gutom ka na talaga.
Wait, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Tiny.
Kunin mo yung bag mo.
Wow, parang natakot ka pa. Oo. Where are you, Zen? Kaping tulong yun, ah. Para tapos ka na daw. Very good. Loko-loko. Very good na. Very good, Zen and Nix. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you though. There, her. Diyos ko yung bata. There. Very good. Hinaamoy niya pa. It's okay. What happened? Zin, the teacher is gonna mad to you. Oh no. Teacher.
What color do you like?
Teacher Lorna, you say.
It's nice.
What color do you like?
You say to the teacher.
Dad, it's squash. Hey, teacher, look.
How about that clouds? What is that color?
Oh, the clouds daw. The clouds.
I know. Colorful.
Also the, no? Clouds?
Yeah, this color. The colorful.
Ay, nako, wala na talaga. Sige, ikaw na. Nagtataka rin tuloy sa'yo si Nix. Anong ginagawa mo? Hey, where's the other? You're the teacher? Okay. I'll bless it. Oh, come on. Where's the letter A?
Na 450,
Oh,
nag-600.
you see in the front. You see in the front. Come on, Sinsin. Wow.
Tatlo.
Ang kita. One more. Come on, kiss more. Bite naman. Ang grabe.
But not big. It's blue to blue only, okay? Like that. There. Here. Here, start in the blue line. Going down to the blue line, okay?
Me daw again, me again.
Sam, you want.
Me again. Sit down na dyan.
Vertical line. This is vertical line, ha?
Me again daw. Later again.
Later. They will finish first, yes?
Yeah, no, colorful. Only red daw. The teacher said only red.
Like rainbow light.
Yeah. No, rainbow. Red only. Like that, oh. No, the teacher is gonna mad. You need to color it. Come on.
Can color.
Oh, red only. Smell here. You smell. Ay, ang pogi.
Pato yung takbo niya.
Ano bang drinks yan? Nauuhaw na. Ay, hindi may... Nasaan na yung batang yun? Ito kasi coffee lang, no, walang milk tea. Doon na siya agad sa playground. Good. Oo nga. Very good si Taba. Bagong gupit. Kakain si Jollibee.
Sinagta mo nang daw yung gupit niya.
Ah! Where's my medicine? Hindi niya mabuksan. So many. Is that your medicine? The balls. Okay, give me the medicine, please. Thank you. One, two, three. Okay, push. Push. Wow. Amazing. Mother. Then, can I have a green tea? Can you give me a green tea, please? Okay. Can you order me? Oh no, ding ding ding, faster, faster. Where? In the ground, oh no. Wow, I love that. I can eat this one. The mushroom.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait, there's
Nakakaloka ka talaga. Liga, liga. Liga, liga. Here. There's xylophone. Oh. Mommy's heavy. You go lang, you. Oh, tingnan mo, mommy's heavy. Oh, you go here. Go. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, go. Oh, jump. Then you smile here. Tuwan-tuwa ka na naman. Here, the xylophone, the xylophone. The xylophone, baby. Xylophone. Oh, go. Go. Jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. Zen. Here. Oh, sige, mamin ka na ko. Oh. Parang mahuhulugan na kayo. Oh, go, go, go. Oh. You smile here, to mommy. Go, go, go. Go, Zen. You can do it. You slide here, there. You slide there. There. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, smile here. Smile, mommy. In the, like that, here we go. Yeah, like that. Wow. Okay.